Hey, welcome to our Sweet Sense group chat.
We post daily videos to help money stuff make sense.
Yes, and usually we pick a topic and each share our takeaways, but today's a little different.
This was fun.
Yes, welcome to the great $50 challenge.
We each had 1 week and a single goal.
To make $50.
Legally.
Yeah, stealing was against the rules.
And the law.
Yeah, don't break the law was one of the rules.
You know, I get a little competitive with challenges like these, so I went first. I've been given 1 week to make an extra $50, and my time starts now. I'm thinking I'm gonna go back to my roots and see if I can find a family that needs a babysitter for a night. Update, someone responded to my Facebook posting. This challenge is already in the bag. Things here have slowed down. No one has scheduled anything for this week. I think I'm gonna try to move to another step. Next thing on my list is to sell something on Facebook. Brand new Toronto Maple Leafs jersey. It doesn't have a name on it or anything like that, which probably I know is like less valuable. I wouldn't know. So I think I've decided I'm gonna list it at 60. I am gonna try on Instagram too. Update, someone responded to my Instagram story and they wanna buy the jersey. The original person I had the deal with fell through. It ended up being okay because I actually got a lot of interest on the ad on Instagram. Some people even offered more, like $70. But I'm not saying that I'm done this challenge yet because this has happened twice now. I haven't done it until the money is literally in my hand or my bank account. Bag is secured and I'm gonna just like show you quietly because I'm downtown right now. Look. We made it to Friday and I completed the challenge, plus some. Here's what I learned. Always have a backup plan. Don't be afraid to negotiate if you're selling something. You never really know how much your item is worth to other people. Don't try to make money in a week. Give yourself some time. What would your strategy be?
Okay, so the bar is set at 70 now?
I mean, the bar was always make however much you can, wasn't it?
True, but now it kind of feels like 50 is just a minimum.
My favorite part of the video actually didn't make it in.
Do we have a director's cut?
We do. I made a little mistake when I was on my way to meet the buyer. Okay, so small update. I'm downtown and I didn't bring the jersey. I literally didn't bring it. I forgot it. My brain is not functioning today.
So you had to walk all the way back?
Yep, I went all the way home and all the way back downtown because I didn't want to miss the chance to sell it. What if they backed out? I was running out of time.
Yeah, that really sucks. You actually really earned the 70.
Thank you.
Yeah, fair point. Okay, Creo was next. Let's see what he did.
Okay, I've got a week to make an extra $50, so how are we gonna do this? My first thoughts were Uber Eats, Lyft, Instacart, but all of those need a car, which I do not have. So with that, I figured we'd do something I've done before, which is selling a skill. And when it comes to making beats, I got skills. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and we have a beat.
Shout out Creo, man.
Okay, the beat is done. I wanted to get it posted today, which did not happen, but tomorrow, we're fine. Well, it's tomorrow, and I still didn't get the beat online like I wanted. That being said, I am still 100% confident. Okay, so there's a dude who's interested, but he said he needs time. Time I don't have, so stress. He's gonna message me. Running out of time, but I got a backup plan. So my plan was find a loophole and buy a $50 gift card with optimum points, but you actually can't do that. The backup plan failed, so I really need this guy to come through. We're fine, it's fine. Still nothing. So I just got the text message and he does not want the beat. So challenge unsuccessful.
I'm still legit.
I would say that selling a skill is still a good idea, but maybe give yourself more than a week to make money.
I see that sneaky little backup plan.
Yeah, the rules are pretty clear. You cannot use optimum points to buy gift cards.
No, makes sense. I just didn't think it'd be that big of a problem.
Yeah, I mean, I think Creo ran into the same issue that I did. It wasn't really about the $50. It was more the time constraint that made it hard.
Yeah, the time is tight. We did get some good comments on this series.
Yeah, this comment reminded me that we have viewers from all over the world.
Yeah, friendly reminder, we're in Toronto, so we filmed this in February. It was freezing cold.
Yeah, walking was a no, biking definitely a no.
Yeah, I don't even think Creo has a bike, so double no.
No.
Yeah. So Creo made $0, this gal made 70. What did I make? I've got 1 week to make $50. How should I do it? Day one of trying to make 50 bucks. Seeing some success with Instacart and I've got a car, I live in a busy city, seems promising. Sign up was pretty easy. I got approved really quickly. They have to ship some sort of payment card. 5 to 7 days. What if I sell a skill? I'm pretty good at editing videos. Maybe I could offer some social media edits for a little bit of cash. I'm gonna start with uploading a Fiverr profile. Okay, day 3 and no bites. I can't really blame them because my profile's empty, so I'm gonna go make like a cute little video to attach and show my expertise. Still nothing on Fiverr and I'm starting to get nervous, so I'm trying something new. Posting an ad on Instagram and Facebook to see if any of my more artsy friends and followers need some help with editing. Update, a friend is starting a business and needs some help with editing videos. I offered 2 30-second videos or 1 60-second video and they wanted one for 75 bucks. This challenge is in the bag. I'm taking tomorrow off. So my friend said she would send me the money as soon as I sent her the video. I texted her to let her know the video's been sent and her husband replied, she's a little in labor, but we'll check it out. Oh my gosh. Obviously I said not to worry about it, focus on delivering a baby. Update, she sent me the money in labor. Well, it's the next day and I'm $75 richer. Challenge complete. Lesson learned, use your community to your advantage. Made it a lot easier. Oh, and if you're curious, my friend had the baby literally 3 hours after she sent me the money. What?
I can't believe Creo couldn't get a guy to commit to sending him money for the beep, but your friend sent you the money while she was in labor.
Mothers, iconic.
Wow, they get the job done. I have a question though. Why was she starting a business days before giving birth?
It was a business for new moms and babies.
Oh, okay.
Makes sense. $75 richer.
I would say we both won because the challenge was to make $50 and we both did that.
Sure, we both won.
So, you know, lots more challenges over on our TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram.
Sore loser.
Bye.